In this video, we're going to cover the Renegade Verona refrigerator temperature adjustment. You will find the refrigerator control system located inside the refrigerator. We will begin with the freezer settings located on the left side of the control interface. Pressing the Ice Off button will power down the ice maker as indicated here on the display. Pressing the button a second time will turn it back on. Pressing the Power Freeze button will accelerate the freezing process. Pressing the button a second time will deactivate the Power Freeze. Pressing the Freezer button will allow you to cycle through the preset temperatures. Wait 5 seconds for the new temperature settings to take effect. Now we will move on to the fridge settings on the right side of the control interface. Press the E-Saver button to turn on or off the energy saver settings, as indicated by the blue dot located on the button. Pressing the Power Cool button will accelerate the cooling process, as indicated by the icon found here. Pressing the button a second time will deactivate the Power Cool. Pressing the Fridge button will allow you to cycle through the preset temperatures. You must wait 5 seconds for the new temperature settings to take effect. Note that 38 degrees Fahrenheit is recommended.
Caution: this video is for reference only and in no way a replacement to the owner's manual. Please refer to the owner's manual before attempting any operations or maintenance on the coach.